Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you 10 most important things in Windows 10 operating system. What are these? Let us start. First one is how to know your router's password. Sometimes we forgot our router password. We are connected but we forgot the passwords. How to know it? Let us see. First of all, we have to go to the search bar. Write down here command prompt, and here run as administrator. Here you can write down the command net sh WLAN show profile and the name of the Wi-Fi you are connected with. You can see it here. We are right now connected with the Wi-Fi. Name is Wi-Fi. And then write down the key is equal to clear. Enter. Here you can see the password of your router. See, it's ABC123 ABC. This is the first thing. Now let's go to the second thing. Second thing is blocking the websites. How to do it? Let us see. Go to the my PC, this PC, and C drive, and then go to the Windows folder. Now go to the System32. Here you can see drivers. You can say this etc folder. Here you can see hosts. Click on it, open with as a notepad. Here you can write down, you can copy this address and paste it here, but use some different address, use 2, and for example you are now blocking some websites, for example www.facebook.com. okay, second will be, for example, write down here 3. It should be a different IP address, starts with this. These will be the same, but this should be different for each website. Write down here www.google.com and save it. Save this file. save this file. It will not be saved here, so use different drive, save it. Now you have to do one thing. Copy that, this here, copy it here, for example here. Now you can see whether it's working or not. www.facebook.com. See, it's not working. Second website we check, www.google.com. Again it's not working, as we have already blocked the sites. So we'll go back to we'll cut it and paste it anywhere else. And we don't have to, we can delete it. And copy the original wall here back to its position. Now we can again check whether it's working or not. Yes, it's working. Google, Facebook, both are working now. Okay, this was the second thing in the most important things in Windows 10 operating system. So let's go to the third one, to know the internet IP addresses of your system, to know the DNS IP address, to know the IP address of your everything about those IP addresses. Command prompt, right click it as and run as administrator, and Ipconfig/all. It will show all the details. See, you can see here everything is written on it. So this was the third important thing in Windows 10 operating system. Let us see the fourth one. Fourth one will be the shortcut command of task manager. We usually go to the task manager first, write down here and go to this and click on task manager. But there is also a shortcut key which can speed up your work. For example, we can press down the Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Here the same process comes again, task manager. This was the fourth one. Now go to the fifth one. Fifth one is how to hide the files or folders. For example, I have a folder here. I'll put it in this file, into this folder. Right click on it, properties, and let us hidden this. file, apply to this folder and subfolder files also. I have okay. I have already see no file is here, it's now hidden. How to check the hidden files is view and uncheck this, check this button, hidden files. You can see here it's hidden. This was the fifth one. This was the fifth important thing you should know about the Windows 10 operating system. Now going to the sixth one. Sixth one is to hide the partitions. How to hide partitions? For that thing we have to go to the run mode, write down the gp edit.msc and enter. You can see here users configuration, then go to the administrator templates, then Windows components, then you can see here file explorer, and you can see here hide these specified drives in my computer. Enable it. Now you can restrict here drives which you want to hide. For example, we want to hide drive D. Apply on it. Okay. Now you can see I have refreshed it, and you can see there is no D partition here. To unhide it back, we'll go simply again to the same process and not configured. No, do not restrict drives. Okay, let us check it again whether it's coming or not. Refresh it. Yes, it's back. This how can you hide the drives. This was the sixth one. Now going to the seventh thing is to know the IP address of the websites you are accessing. Simply again go to the command prompt. For example, you want to know the IP address of the Facebook website. Simply write down the ping command and write down the www.facebook.com. Here you can see the IP address of this is here. Now going to the eighth important thing in the Windows operating system. And the eighth important thing in Windows 10 operating system is to know about the emoji. How to enable the emojis, suppose for example in Notepad. Simply you have to click Win key and semicolon. Here you can see the emojis. For example, I will enter some emojis here. Now you can see here emojis. This was the 8th thing in Windows 10 operating system. Now let's go to the 9th. Now the 9th most important thing in Windows 10 operating system is shaking. Shaking is, suppose we have opened number of windows on the desktop and we want to minimize it just like a wink. What we do, we can shake the window we want to open and rest of the windows we want to minimize. What we can do, we can shake this window. See, all the windows minimizes and no window is, only one window is open. To get back those windows, we have to shake it again. See, it's like magic. This was the 9th most important thing in Windows 10 operating system. So let us go to the 10th most important thing in Windows 10 operating system. That is changing password of the user without entering old password. For that thing we have to go to the command prompt. Command prompt is here, right? Run as administrator. Here you can use net user command. We have, for example, here this user HP. We can use net user again and use HP and use the password, for example ABC123. Enter. This was the 10th most important thing in Windows 10 operating system. I hope this video you find very informative. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you.